Melting snow is such a pain. It'll probably take me 45 minutes to get this snow melted and up to a boil. The water boiling. It's time to make some food. Got some beef bouillon cubes, a little bit of salt. I'm gonna have some herbal tea here. Gonna add a couple bay leaves. I've got some nutmeg and fennel seed we're gonna put in there as well. We're gonna go ahead and add the lamb meat at this point. Add some carrots. Hey, does it smell like burning feathers in here? Yeah, it does. Soup's getting close to done, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. A little savory, a little sweet, a little bit spicy. It's good.